years.
I'm a CNC machinist here.
Manufacturing engineer.
And I'm a machinist here at Dodge.
The position is machinist, grade 4.
Second shift team leader.
Worked for Dodge for 25 years.
I've been 8 months.
I started here as a student while I was still in high school at Riverside High School.
I started working at Dodge in Rogersville, Tennessee, February of 2018.
I got hired in 2006.
I feel very comfortable working in here, especially because I got to support my family and the pay is good, benefits are great. I even bring my brother here with me.
Most experienced people, so a lot more learning from other co-workers.
All the education that I've got between 2 associate's degrees, undergrad and graduate degrees, tuition reimbursement paid for all of that.
If I need help, people that have been here 30 years are willing to help me since I've only been here 1 or 2 years. So
I love it here. I think there's many great opportunities here for any young person wanting to come in and move up within the company.
So when I first got hired, I was an assembler. I assembled for a couple of months and then got moved to a machine based off of being somewhat done with my degree. And then finished my 2 associate's degrees, started my undergrad, engineering technology, and from there went to an associate engineer and then to manufacturing engineer.
I wanted to get into machining. I wanted to keep going, finish my degree, and then I want to work my way into maintenance.
My goal is, retire here.
there's many job opportunities for me to invite my friends to work here that maybe they don't know what they want to do, and maybe I can open them to manufacturing and they enjoy it.